Lover and good morning everyone. Today is Sunday here in Samoa. Special fatalofa to our Ainga members. Today is Father's Day here in Samoa, so just want to wish all the fathers that watch our channel and all the fathers around the world a very special Father's Day today. We're going to prepare the umu. I think I will be spending tonight with the family in Apia, my parents, so I'm just going to quickly jump, get the umu ready, scrape the taro. See, we got banana there. Then we've got I think just bovi masima to get on the heat, and also not sure yet, but there might be oka, but that's still not sure. Just a simple koangai, so then I can go to Apia and have spent Father's Day with the pops. So hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, guys, and we'll see you guys soon. Gang, it's now nice and early in the morning. The sun is a very beautiful sun there, and yeah, I think I'm about to pusa the umu now. Already got the taro, so as you can see, it's mostly the ulis from the plantation in the back of the house. So we're gonna pusa the umu now. I'm also thinking to might as well get started on the povmasima, so that by the time we're about to, when it's close to night time, or when I leave to go up here, it'll be nice and soft or tender. Yeah, that's the word, not soft. All right, let's get to it. Oh, we have a visitor. I'm here. Ko ilunga ile kanga pepanga le po. Chat. Ya, mai ro ka ulunga. Nga le o ya ma fe mai fo yo oilo. Ko fe o fo yo oilo. Ma wo fu la sa ma. All right, so we've got a ulu. Yeah, we'll do this. We'll leave the bananas till later. started on bananas now. While they're getting the coconut cream ready. The fire is burning a lot quicker than we thought because it's windy, so it went through the wood fairly quickly, so gonna have to hurry up. And then as well as getting the bovi masima onto the heat. Right, so we are almost done with the luau. Just added some polo back on to reheat the umu. We've got mussels here, so I'm going to add some coconut cream with the mussels, and then we'll foil that up, throw that on the umu as well. Yeah, going good. Alright fam, everything's all set. Kalung mo kama. Put masima already on the heat. Just wait for the fire to come on. Right, we're gonna hit the umu now. So it's been about half an hour now since we got the umu. So I'm just thinking, because it wasn't that hot, I'm just worried now in case I go over again and then we might burn the umu again. But I'm just trying to trust my instincts on this because the umu wasn't that hot. when we got home. So I'm just thinking maybe give it another 10 minutes and then we'll check it. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh, fingers crossed. We don't want the Sunday to end on a bad note. Wise man once said, "Elelele muoleu, muolai ai, alangal mak, avilo ai mapua, karusia." Oi, patung. Hey, kamusta? Ayaw mo kama. Kako, kaya alu. Kamakang fa-fing ufian niya. Phụ lung yak pa. So kako ide, you know, fa-pia fu nga di. Kung nga lang di, fa-fu nga fuet up. Ide fa-pia di fuet up nga di ay ide yung. So kako fa-fing ufian niya. Phải swing cũng mà phải ha cái phải mấy sao cái ông cái lắm là ông bò ta cố đi quan phạm bà lắm very nice cái mày đúng đậu đủ ấu đi đủ ngộ cá ngô đủ ấu mắt sụp người dùng nó có đủ Foto na luau tumo na met. Ya. Ko fas puvi di sodet. Ka. Ya luau la de to. Luau mas sodet to. Ade. Kung kuyet kyan yu. Ni fi. Kamera di mai. Kaya may ikako. Ang masuk lumipit ko na riska po masuri bebe lalu ngayo fa ko le vo fa ito mo ni ta to ni fa kopi aku merek. Kasihan kai fai fai fai. Ang syukur dua fia ngai fa. Ngai dua fa dua pia. So. Ang bela parang ini. Marayo. Bilang ni ko udu mai vero Ia mai kako ham. Ore ham ia, ia masuk le. Tua ni muka vila le ia. Ia. Nara sisi mea. Akari pumasima. Umal pumasima. Pinga mea, alu pia. Singa kalau kofu lu awu kam. Ka ko ka ngai sim ko. Ya. Alright fam, so almost now done. I'm gonna take it to the house soon, but first we need to do a taste test, as I said, to ensure the safety, that the food is good to eat. If I be able to say, leave out all more, I go there and they go for go for me, go for a spoon, yeah, or go for spoony la wing a little. I sing a mere taste, but chef for me. I defend me, right? They're like a cocoa. Yeah, I'm one. Vai lu au masuk ko. Kena lu au masuk. Mau kong kak mun budi. Nah, ifa kai kai pe ma ya. Ha masuk me lu. Oi fa lu au me masuk. Wow. Wow. This is really good. Guys, definitely try this. I feel like black pepper and a bit of chili, but man, so good. Alright man, yeah, I told you. Then I will go. Come on, yeah. I been all that. So good, man. Phải mà vậy cô xưa đi cái ô bé mẹ ấy. Ủa mà là sao cả má? Nhưng mình biết ở chỗ má chùa. Là má chỗ phà nó sôi phốt. Alright guys, so just gonna wait for the bulmasima, because that's all that's left. But I'm gonna save this bit of taro. Ik go for bulmasima to taste the salt corned beef. I don't know whatever the Palangi word for bulmasima is. That's why we're gonna save this bit here. Come on, go for it. Remember, man, that mussel was so nice. I'm seriously gonna try it again. One thing I forgot to try was my friend Jay from Life on the Rock actually said to try bulmasima inside the luau. So I totally forgot to try that today. But hopefully if we get another bulmasima, we'll definitely try that. But we'll save this one for the bulmasima. Then Lloyd, they're just getting the coconuts ready for the oka. Probably gonna go cut up the fish soon and then marinate it in lemon and then I'll wait for the coconut cream. Alright fam, so we're now inside the house. I'm going to quickly cut up the fish here. We've got our omu there, and then our luaus, and the mussels, and the ham. I'm going to cut up the fish now. Don't worry about the seeds. You'll know the difference when you eat it and you feel like you're chewing on something hard. But yeah, so now I'm gonna make sure that each single cube is covered in the lemon juice, and then we'll pop it into the freezer. See how it's starting to go white? That's what we're looking for. All right, so I'm gonna pop it in the freezer, and then we'll break for a bit. All right, I think I'm gonna get some, I don't know. We need to go get some spring onions for the oka. Boso. Tau kafi me ka mera. Ka wo play ka kamakong. Pedok. Au me mu oido. O ke ka wa me ngai. Ka mai me. Ka wa ka wo. Me mu mga. Kiri ko ilo lang mo. Iya. Nga. Kau fasik ko ya may hoy nga ka pilya dito. Ya lang mo nga. Oy lo lang mo. Iya nga. Nga. Ano? Ôi quá cá pepe. Kang sa ay foi kung kaya over there with the coconut cream. Ako le sa ay foi kung le apa si di ba? Kaleng ofa ele masong. Ay ko fa ula ko kafi. Kuha. Kulo. Need to go get the spring onion for the okra. Would have loved some cucumbers, but yeah. So these are cherry tomatoes. Very nice cherry tomatoes. My wife's garden. Hey, see bye. So we call them palio. So if you guys remember, these were all just flowering plants. But my wife turned it into a garden, fruits and veggies, and now we are reaping the rewards. So, guys, Uli Masima is almost there. Probably another 10 minutes. It's falling off the boom, so far so good. I need to go get ready now. Gonna go shower and then head to up here. Alright guys, so finished showering. I'm gonna head now. I think it's just me and Bo that'll head to Kongai with my parents. Nice shirt my wife got me for Father's Day. Let's go. Alright guys, heading to parents' house now. Just leaving the house. The usual culprits. Jeez. We'll touch base once we get to up here. Fiele coupe ave ma papa.
Di makala.
Di makala. No se lang.
Oi dai kaskala.
So ngat pa ngat lo melo fa mapa.
Oi dai. Oi fakala.
No se lang. Esse milhão. Ele chegou milhão. Alright guys, so just gonna quickly stop at the ATM to get the gift for Dad. Olha me alo falei a mola sakama.
Ole usikai.
Yeah, coupe.
Vale coupe male card.
Mga yellow Skype, mga yellow coupe.
Mga yellow usikai.
Mga yellow coupe. It's worth a try. One day. Oh, wala ba nga?
Alo ame alufa. Alo ame coupe male alufa ya alufa. Ika. Dai. Ibu alufa.
Fia, quer papai mero? E coupe oh, papa ole coupe
Alufa au maile kata laleia nena alu ile bankai kala mai kupea nena ala kulona na lisi aso ngawo o mala kupe
Chole, yeah?
aya
Fia, kakao papa fa nga coupe nen. Ai, sole.
ale le wa ba kwa mele lua
Alright guys, so we're just gonna head off now to the parents' house. And also take this time out to wish again all the dads of Samoa and around the world, everyone watching our channel, a special Father's Day. Your contribution in the families are very valuable, so thank you again to all the fathers, and yeah, thank you for tuning into our channel, guys. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Ele puro.
Valeu o que?
Vale que é Vanilla Jace
Alright guys, so just arrived here at the house. I'm gonna go check inside. Mama. Alright guys, so this is what we brought from Gua. The povi masima and the umu with some other stuff that we did in the morning. We'll just check on what Mom is cooked. Ooh, my favorite. Mom with kapis and kamako. So good. And something in the oven. Looks like fish. Very nice. Very nice. This looks like suega. A very big Father's Day. Very, very nice. Yeah, that thing. Yeah. I live for ulam bom.
Happy Father's Day.
Nga vak kasing. Kaya vem com cheiro ao mel. Vem com cheiro ao mel. Atau wah, die links.
Lang kami po, sa makalan niya alafa. Ya, sino ba? Sino? Sino ba?
Lo papa.
Ya, kasi oh, mawala of tayo. Shoot. Nawasak, mawala of tayo. Wala, may sila. So, ilang size ka kayo? Shoot. Kasi, aso na puwa. Oh. Thanks, darling. Thanks, Dessa. Thank you, Les. Heel veel brand, die soort kassie. Best wel lekker. Zo dat wel.
Ali, hoef je dat ook kan?
Wat wil je nou?
Der muffin met ook kan. Kom hier van.
Ja, ja, ja. Ga je mee? Zo. Zo. Oh ja, Iwo suela pena. Mau ora ke? Mau ke mau. Era algo foi de uma coisa, tá?
May naman.
Paulo. Okay, what's up?
Kopi nga doon. Alright guys, so absolutely sorry guys. I actually fell into a food coma as soon as we finished Tonai. Man, I think I fell asleep. This was probably 3 hours ago. And now I just woke up. I had so much to eat. And now I'm really regretting it. No regrets. Yeah, just on a full stomach, so apologies guys for that. I didn't finish the episode off properly. But I'm gonna get ready now with the kids. I'm gonna head back to Gua. And yeah, wanna go with the kids and then I think we're stopping to get off Ponipopo as well. Then we'll head home. So just want to say thank you again guys for the support today. If you've enjoyed the content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. I really appreciate the support. And also on behalf of everyone here on the channel, my wife, kids and uncle and all of us and parents and all of us here, I'd like to wish you all a happy Father's Day and have a great Father's Day, and also a great, if you don't have if you're having a public holiday, have a great public holiday as well guys. So happy Father's Day to you all, and thank you again all for the support with our channel. So definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon.